Hello student, we go over the polynomial vocabulary L1. Okay, first you need to find the degree of this polynomial. So the D3 equal the highest power. Okay, highest power. So you can see over here, for this polynomial, you have only one variable, x, okay? So you can see over here, the power for this x is number 5, for this x is number 3, for this x number 2. If you see the variable stand by itself, it means the power is number 1, okay? So the power right here is number 1, okay? So this is number 2, number 3, this is number 5. So you choose the one with the higher power, all right? So number 5. So I put number 5 in the box, and then I'm done. So I put right there. Good for you. All right, here we go. Submit. Done. Let's do it again. The D3. So this is one term. One term. So clearly the highest power is right there, number 10. So the D3 should be number 10. Okay, so I put it here. Number 10. I submit. All right. This one, the number of term. So you can see over here, you got one term, two term. So the number of terms should be 2. Okay, so I put 2 in, and then I'm done. Here we go. All right. The number of term again. So take a look over here. You should have 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So the answer is 3 term. 3 term. Here we go. Voila. So let's move on to level 2. Okay. The number of term and D3. So 2 questions together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of terms should be 4. And the D3, let's take a look over here. The D3, this is high power 4. This is 2. This is power 1. Ooh. Number 6, if you have number 6 by itself, it means the power at that is, it means 6 multiplied with x. I'm sorry, this is the b's, all right? So let me do b. Here we go. So b will be power 0. Because you have anything power 0 is number 1. So if you see a number stand by itself, the degree is 0. Okay? So in this case, I choose a higher power, which is number 4. So over here, the degree is 0. Okay. So now I put my answer for the degree is number 4. Okay. So I put it in. Here we go. 4 here and then 4 here. All right. Submit. Okay. Number of term again. We have 2 term. Okay. The D3, you see here, the power right here 10, and the power here is number 1. Okay. So of course I choose the one with highest power. So that should be 10. Okay. So I put it in. Here we go. 2 term and the D3 is 10. All right. All right. Should we move on to level 3? Yes, we should. We can. Okay. So now take a look over here. You have one term, is all right? One term is called mono. So this is one term. So I would choose this option. Binomial, it means 2 terms. Trinomial, it means 3 terms. All right. So I choose 1 term, monomial. All right. Okay. And now you classify this polynomial, but in the degree. Okay. So take a look over here. The power here is high power is number 4. Okay. So number 4 for quartic, we don't have it. Quartic. So number 4 we call quartic. Okay, quartic. Quartic. You don't have it. So I would choose none of these. Okay. Cubit, it means the degree is 3. Quadratic, the degree is 2. Linear, the degree is 1. Okay? So this is degree 4, so I have to choose none of these. Okay? None of these. Voila. Similarly over here, but this is classified, but for the number of terms. Okay? So you have one term, is that right? So I would choose mono. Okay? One term is mono. Here we go. Voila. Okay? And now, similarly, you want to classify this, you got one term, two term. Ooh, yeah, but they ask for the degree. Okay, classify of the degree. So this is W, it means W power 1. Okay? Power 1, I choose linear. Alright? W, it means W power 1. So the degree is called linear. Okay, so linear.
So, can I go to the box? Huh?
Please go. Alright, we're almost done here. Move on. Ooh, we're already in level 4. Okay, so again over here, you can see this is power 2, is that right? Power 2, so I would choose quadratic. Okay, power 2 quadratic. Alright, so this is power 2 quadratic, linear power 1, cubit power 3. So I choose quadratic, submit. Okay, let's do the last level over here, level 5. Okay, nothing really fancy. Okay, J, it means J power 1. If you see J, it means J power 1. Power 1 is go with linear. Okay, power 1 is linear. Okay, so here we go, done. Okay, so now you have two variables, U and V. Okay, so you see U right here, it means power 1. So you add the power together, so 1 plus 2 become 3. Okay, 1 plus 2 become 3. So now this one is V power 2 and W by itself, so W it means power 1. So if you want to find the degree, you add them together, 2 plus 1 become 3. Okay, so 3. Yeah, but they ask classify in a number of terms, so we don't have to worry about the degree. One term, two term, binomial. All right, two term binomial. Okay, so I click on binomial. Here we go. Now find the degree. Okay, so take a look over here. S, it means S power 1. So the degree, the power you add together, 2 plus 1, that's the number 3. So number 3. Okay, so right here, this is number 1. You add together the high degree number 3. Okay. Ooh, actually this is 3 variable. R, S, T. So this is 1, 1, 1. So when you add them together, you come out 3. And it's R by itself, so the power right here is number 1. So I would choose the degree is number 3. Okay? Yes, Buddha loves me. Alright. Number of terms. So go and find number of terms. We have 1 term, 2 term, 3 term. So I put 3 over here. Now let's find the degree. H, this is 2 variable, G and H. So G power 7, H by itself, it means power 1. So you add together, 7 plus 1 become 8. 3 plus 5, also 8. And then H squared right here, so the power is 2. Okay? So degree, I would choose the one, the highest power, which is number 8. Okay? So I put degree is 8. And then I'm done. Alright, done. Voila. Here's an A. And number of terms should be 3. Oh my god. I have one more to get 100. Okay. This is one term. One term, but the power right here is power 1. Okay. So power 1 is linear. Okay. When you have a variable, power 1 is linear. Power 2 quadratic. Power 3 cubit. Alright, so I choose linear and then I'm done. Do I get 100? Oh my god, it said woohoo! Thank you, you guys. Amazing.